Hello and welcome Tech Enthusiast. Today we are diving into the heart of your computer, the processor, also known as the CPU. But processor come with various core counts impacting performance. So how do you find out how many cores your CPU has? Let's explore. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you two methods where you can easily know your processor. So the first one, go to Task Manager. So simply click Ctrl Shift plus exit button. From here, go to Performance. In CPU, you can see our utilities, processor, thread and handle. And here you can see the cores and logical processor is 4 and 4. My core is 4 and logical processor is 4. Now I am going to show you the second method. Simply click Windows plus R to open Run. From here, click MS Info 32. Use this one, MS Info, and click on OK. From here, you can see the processor Intel R, Core TM, Core i5, and you can see the gigahertz and core and logical processor from here. So in this way, you can know your processor easily. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos.